Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and since in today's video I'm coming to you with a Walmart haul. This is going to be the capsule edition. I have been building a capsule wardrobe lately, and I have really been into basics, so I said why not go to Walmart and see if Walmart has some things that I can add to my collection. And girl, they did not disappoint. So I will have all of these pieces linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay sis, so for this first look we have this cute faux leather jacket. I got this from the women's section. It's in the brand Time and True, size large, and she was $29.98. and this is such a good staple piece for the fall. Like, you need one of these in your closet. Again, size large, it kind of fits me big. I was going for that oversized look, you know how I do, but this kind of fits like extra big. I definitely could have sized down to my normal size medium. I do have another one of these in the brand No Boundaries from the junior section that I sized up, and they kind of fit small just because it is the junior section, so that's why I did size up. But girl, yes, this kind of fits a tad bit big, and I did want it to be a little bit more structured, but I'm not mad at the fit. You know I love a good oversized, and I was able to like scrunch up the sleeves, kind of the look that I was going for, so it's all good. Again, just a little big, so get your normal size if you don't want it to be oversized. But she's super cute. She's not too thick, not too thin. Literally, again y'all, perfect. As you can see, you can zip her all the way up. Does she have pockets? Yes, and she has pockets at the bottom, so yeah, real cute. I paired her with this white tee, very simple, again from the brand Time and True from the women's section, and I believe she's folded up in the shirts, tops that sit on that little thing and she was $8.98. I got her in a size medium, and this is a relaxed fit top, and again y'all, she fits me perfectly. Size medium is my normal size, and again it's relaxed fit, so it's not like that stretchy fit that fits you. It's just, you know, very hard cotton, not that stretchy, just again relaxed fit. So do as you please as far as, girl, do as you please as far as sizing. I definitely could have sized up because it is a little, like, I'm not gonna say too small, but she is a little fitted. But again, it's a relaxed fit top, so I don't know what I expected. I did go ahead and pair her, girl, if I can get this, I paired her with this skirt. Like, I was going for like a real cute, casual yet dressy look, and I think it turned out so perfectly. Anyway, so this is the bottoms. Again, Time and True women's section, size large, and she was $14.98. Now, size large is not my normal size at all, but they literally only had a large and a small. I guess everybody was feeling this black satin skirt, and if I would have known, like, I would have got her the first time around when I got the maroon one. Anyhow, she's real cute. Medium is my normal size. This does fit big, and I did have to safety pin it in the back just so I can kind of fit it. So I will need to go to like another Walmart to get a size medium, because she is just too cute. It does have a slit, girl, that was the back the whole time. She does have a slit at the bottom, and it's just like a little baby slit, but she's so cute and perfect. It's like very modest, you know. She's just cute, y'all. The material, again, is satin, like that little sleek silk material. You know how satin feels, and together I think everything paired very nicely. Again, I'm going for like a casual look, but dressy. So my jewelry is really old. You can kind of get all of this jewelry from Amazon, but yeah, very old. And I got the girl, why am I about to stutter, and the bag is from Walmart, the hat is from Ross, and then the shoes are my Pandas from Nike. So the next look, we have this cute little jacket, again from the women's section. The brand is Time and True. I got her in a size large, and she was $29.98 as well. So I'm kind of thinking that all of their jackets are basically $29.98. Anyhow, this is like a cute little, I don't even know what type of jacket we would call her. Let me see what she says on this tag, child. It just says insulated shacket. So okay, we have us like a little cute little shacket. As you can see, it's jacket material. But she's real cute, not too thick, not too thin, literally perfect for the fall, y'all. This as well came in other colors. I want to say black and like this baby pink, which was real cute, but I chose green because I don't know, I'm just into green, black, and white lately this fall. Like these are my colors, and brown. But anyways, super cute. The large fits me to the T. You know how I do. I love oversized, and this is not really oversized to me. Like this literally fits perfect. And again, y'all, if you're new here, I like my jackets, and I always upsize in my jackets just because I want that comfy, cozy feel. And this is like literally perfect. Like you can't tell me that this just doesn't look really good and nicely fitted. So yeah, this is the jacket. I paired her with this white tee, another white tee. However, this is not the same one. This is a more stretchy fitted tee. This is from the brand Free Assembly, size medium, and she was $14. And I definitely could have sized down with this top because she is so stretchy, y'all, like super stretchy. But they only had a size medium and extra small, I believe, so they didn't have a size small, but I'm not mad at the size medium. She's just real cute, real basic, really stretchy, and just really nice fitting. So then for the bottoms, I went with these cute Free Assembly bottoms from the women's section. Again, Free Assembly, size 10, and she was $27, which is a really good deal because I feel like all of their jeans are like $34, $35, but $27. But these were on sale when I rung them up. They were only $17. So girl, talk about a steal. But yeah, size 10 is my normal size. The jeans are very structured and like a really good denim jeans. They kind of remind me of Zara's jeans, that they don't have no stretch to it. They're like very structured but very nice looking and very fitting. Like sis, get into them. And I love this wash. The wash is so pretty. It's not too light because I typically don't like to wear too light of a denim in the fall time. I tend to go towards more dark and like a dark light, and these are perfect. Like sis, super cute. It's a straight leg bottom, and they kind of are like hit me at the ankle, which is perfect for me. I really like that. But yeah, they're super cute. Everything paired nicely together. I paired it with my pandas once again, and then my hat that I got from Ross, and then the bag is an old Zara bag. Okay, y'all, so for this next look, we have this cute sweater dress. I'm a sucker for sweater dresses in the fall. This is from the women's section from the brand Time and True, size large, and she was only $19.98, which is such a good deal for a sweater dress. Again, my normal size is a medium, so I did upsize in this sweater dress only because I love my sweater dresses to fit oversized and just real big, so I can have some big boots underneath. Like that's just my look. I don't like it to be form-fitted, and this did not disappoint. It fits me so well. I love the way the large fits, not too big, not too small, and the neck is not like that neck where it just like chokes you and it's just like suffocating you, because I promise you I love the turtleneck look, but I do not like the feel, and this feels so good. Like I don't even realize that it's there. And yeah, enough to keep me warm. It's not too thick, not too thin. She's just really cute. I paired her with the same little biker jacket so I can have that look. The same hat from Ross, as well as some boots that I got from Shopakura. And girl, the look is looking. And then I tied it in with a little red lip just to add some color. And then I got my little clutch or whatever. I want to say the clutch is from Aldo. It is. The clutch is from Aldo. It is super old, you know, because I just had to think about it. But yeah, like the look. And then the jewelry, again, y'all, is old. The same jewelry from the first outfit. Super old. But yeah, the look is looking. So for the next look, we have us another little turtleneck vibe. This is again from the women's section. I want to say the brand is Free Assembly, size medium. She was originally $24, but I got her on sale for $15. They had a lot of stuff on sale, by the way. But yeah, girl, super cute. The medium fits me very nicely. I would have gotten her in a size large because again, I really just love that oversized feel, but they only had a size medium, and I'm not mad at it. The medium kind of fits me a little oversized, a little big, but she's still stretchy and kind of fits me real nicely, and she's just cute. And I want to say she's maybe oversized in herself because she is a bit long, but I really love the fit. Let me see if it says oversized. It doesn't. It just says that it's a turtleneck sweater. But y'all, she's cute. She as well came in like a different color, which was like this little striped blue and white stripe, but I went with this brown color because I've been feeling these like neutrals this fall. But yeah, she's super cute and stretchy, nice material, not too thin, not too thick, and just overall just a really nice sweater, especially for $15. So then I paired her with these bottoms that I got from the junior section. The brand is No Boundaries, size 13, and she was $17.98. Now 13 is definitely not my size, sis, but y'all, you see them, they look so tiny. I normally size up to a size 11 in the juniors, but they look so tiny. I'm like, girl, let me just go ahead and size up 2 sizes. So that's what I did, and I barely even got in these. They're stretchy, but not all that stretchy. I'd had to do like 5 jumps to get into them, stretch my legs, like I did a whole lot. So definitely try them on before you leave the store because they run so small, but once you get them on, they're very cute, stretchy, or not that stretchy, but you get what I'm saying. Like they're form-fitted and just real nice looking, y'all. They also have like that little leather pleather in the inside to keep you warm, and for $17 you can't beat it. But just make sure you get your size. Everything paired together, so cute. I wanted to go for like this little gold, black and gold look. So yeah, I just put on a whole bunch of black and gold accessories from Zara, including the belt, and then my shoes are super old from Charlotte Russe, and then the hat is from Walmart. It's from the brand Time and True, super old, but it's reoccurring, so I'm sure they'll have more in the stores. But yeah, girl, like the outfit, like girl, who is she, sis? Who is this girl trying to dress up? Okay, sis, so for this last look, we have a simple little dress, a little button up with a little 1-2 tie from the brand Free Assembly, women's section, size large, and she was originally $36, but I got her for $23. Again, everything was pretty much on sale, or some things. Basically, the Free Assembly stuff was on sale. But y'all, isn't she cute? She's so cute. This came in the color blue as well, but again, you already know why I chose the color green. This size large fits me to the T. You already know why I upsized. Like I shouldn't even have to keep repeating myself. But for the ones in the back, I upsized because I like that upsize. I upsized because I like that oversized feel, especially on dresses. Like I don't like them to be fitting or form-fitting at all. And this did not disappoint. She fits me very well. Yeah, just super cute, y'all. Very basic. I love the little strap, sachet, stash. Girl, what is this called? The belt, child. The belt is cute. And yeah, and then the sleeves are kind of like these little short sleeves, so it's made like that. At first I'm like, girl, these do not fit me. I want to say they were trying to maybe make them quarter length sleeves, but yeah, they are kind of short, but it's still cute. It's a really cute look. I paired them with some boots that I got from Stitch Fix. The hat is from Ross, and then the bag is an old bag from Zara. Okay, sis, so that is it for this haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.